How to sell Canva templates on Pinterest. Welcome to this tutorial on how to sell Canva templates on Pinterest. If you are a designer or creative entrepreneur looking to turn on your Canva templates into passive income, this video is for you. Let's dive in. First of all, create a Canva free account. Then you need to create high quality appealing Canva templates that your target audience will love. You can design templates for various purposes like Instagram posts, Pinterest pins, or ebooks depending on your niche. Once your template is ready, it's time to package it for sale. Canva allows you to share templates via a link. To do this, click Share, select Download. You can also download the template various format. Our template is done. Now visit your Pinterest business account, click the Create Pin button, drag and drop the template you downloaded from the Canva website, then add title, description, text, etc. And that's it. You are now ready to start selling your Canva templates on Pinterest. With the right strategies, Pinterest can be a powerful platform for generating traffic and sales. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching.